voluntary code on reduced litter, which includes reducing packaging and encourage customers to dispose of litter correctly. 3. A spokesman said it's always sent out teams to pick up litter within 100 yards to less 3 times a day at full-time litter pickers were being considered.
Yes, and we also can do something. First, we need to contact with some sponsors such as UNICEF, and organize an event to awareness the people about the problem. The event can consist about a collection of natural foods without packing. Apart from